wanna fall till you fall when you gon' be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours.
If you're looking for a benefit, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a benefit, looking for attention.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to get super moisturized and define natural hair like this, then just keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button. So some of the things you'll need is an oil of your choice. I prefer coconut oil, some clips, and also a plastic cap.
Saw you last night, but did it.
I just start by sectioning my hair, and as I'm doing this, I make sure that my oil is heating up because coconut oil is solid in its natural state. So I just run it under some really hot water or boil some water on the stove and then set it off in there.
She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish.
So yeah, this is why it takes me 5 hours to do my hair, because I like to sing and dance. But I'm pouring my oil into like a bottle so that it's easier to apply to my scalp. And as I apply it to my scalp, I use my other hand to just kind of rub it in, because if not, it'll like run all the way down your back, and I can't take that. I also be sure to get it into my scalp really well. I massage it in and take it throughout my entire hair. And once I'm done with that section, I just twist it up and then move on to the next one. And guys, I really like for my hair to be super saturated, so I also make sure that I really get my ends, because that's the driest and most brittle part of my hair, so that's what I'm doing here. And I pretty much just repeat the exact same thing for the other 3 sections of my hair. In case anyone is wondering, I do this to my hair every other week, so twice a month. The other 2 weeks of the month, I am deep conditioning my hair, so every single week I make sure I either do a hot oil treatment or a deep conditioning mask. So once I'm done, I just put on my deep conditioning cap and I let this sit for about 2 hours. So you can either sit under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes to an hour, which is what I usually do. But on this day, I just let it sit in my hair for 2 hours, and this is the finished results. It left my hair super shiny, super moisturized. So yeah, if you happen to do this treatment, let me know how it worked for you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.